Very fast and easy how to scan QR codes in your phone with your camera app in the Samsung Galaxy A54. If it's not working, this is the way. This is the reason because it's not working. You go enter your camera. Now you're gonna go to your settings of the camera, and now you're gonna see if the scan QR codes is activated. By default, it's activated, but maybe by mistake you turn it off. Now you're gonna turn it on, and now if you switch back and if you point your camera to a QR code, here you can see the option that this is say scan. Let's do it again. Point, and that's all you have to do. Like, subscribe, and thank you. Very fast and easy how to unpair or disconnect a Bluetooth connection if you've connected to something you don't want. So what you're gonna do, enter your setting options, go to connections, then here we have Bluetooth is connected to this device. So we're gonna enter here, and here it is. It says connected for all calls and audio. If you don't want to connect to this and you want to unpair, enter this setting options, and here in the bottom you have disconnect, rename, unpair. If you don't want to connect never again, the best option is to unpair. But if you do disconnect, maybe it will reconnect. So let's do it unpair, and you can see it's unpair and it's in pairing mode again. Like, subscribe, and thank you. Fast and easy how to change the lock screen clock style on the Samsung Galaxy A54. This is the on-display clock, but I'm referring and I'm talking about this clock. This is the lock screen clock. How to change it? Very fast and easy. Go to settings. Now you're gonna find the lock screen option, and now here in this option where you can see lock screen, you're gonna tap here, and when you tap here, you're gonna tap here, and when you tap there, you can change that clock. Okay, that's okay. Go done, go back, lock your screen, and here it is. Easy and fast. Now subscribe to the channel, like, and comment. Very fast and easy how to remove the SIM tray on the Samsung Galaxy A54. In the box there's a SIM tool, but you can use a simply click, and you're gonna find here on the top you have the SIM bay, and all you have to do is enter here with any clip, push down hard, and then you can take it out, and that's all you have to do. It's very easy to open and extract the SIM card bay. And if you're gonna put it again, you have to do it the same way. Press it very hard so it will not lose its waterproof. Thank you, like, and see you in the next video, and comment. Fast and easy how to convert voice recording that you have made or record to text on the Samsung Galaxy A54 is very easy. First of all, you're gonna enter your voice recorder app in the Samsung Galaxy A55, and now you're gonna go to the option list. Here is all your recordings. You're gonna select anyone, you're gonna pause it. Now you're gonna go up in the three buttons that I'm selecting, and now this is the option called convert speech to text, and all you have to do, you can select the place or convert it all. Select convert, and let's hear and read. Where I'm gonna tell you to subscribe to my channel, like, and if the video is good, you can send me some bucks to my PayPal account. Thank you. That's all for the review. Subscribe, like, and thank you. Fast and easy how to enable floating camera shutter button on your Samsung Galaxy A54 in the camera application. What do I mean? This is what I mean. If you activate your camera, if you're gonna take a picture, you have to shutter or take a picture by this button, but you can add another button, a floating button like this. Go to camera settings, go down, shooting methods, and you can enable voice commands or floating shutter button. You can go back, and you're gonna see there's a new button, this button that you can place it in another part of your camera. You can select where, and when you press this button you can take a picture. And why you're gonna use it, maybe you're gonna hold your phone in a special way where you cannot access this button, but this one you can access it very easy. Like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you. In this video I'm going to show you very easy how to change the shortcuts that in the bottom of a phone. For example, like putting the flashlight. Now let's go in the phone and let's go to settings. Now in settings, let's find the option of lock screen. In lock screen, let's edit and select which of these we want to change. If you don't want the camera to be there or the phone, you can select this one and select, for example, the flashlight. And that way, what's going to happen is when you press the flashlight with the phone block, you can access the torch very easy. Let's see if you can see it. Look at the bottom of the phone, torch, and it is activated. Very easy for you. And disactivated. Subscribe to the channel, like, and thank you. Fast and easy how to use the built-in ruler in the Samsung Galaxy A54 if you want to measure something. All you have to do and know that this option is in the edge options. By default, if you're in the edge option, you're gonna see this, but you must activate the tools of the edge option. I'm gonna show you in the next, and then you scroll to the left, and in the three buttons you're gonna see by default the compass. If you go to the three buttons and you select the ruler, you can see the ruler that you can use to measure little things up to 10 centimeters. If this is not activated, go to settings, go and find the option called display, then go and activate the edge panels, then go into the edge panels, and then go to panel tools and activate tools. By default, tools are not activated. You activate it, and that's all you have to do. Subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and thank you very much. Very fast and easy how to enable auto call recorder on the Samsung Galaxy A54. Every time someone calls you, it will automatically record the conversations. That you're gonna go here to the phone, then you're gonna go to the top where you have the three dots, and then you're gonna enter the setting options, and here is the option called record calls. Enter this option, and auto recall calls you will enable, confirm, and that's all you have to do. Like, subscribe to the channel, and here on the where you can read record calls is where you're gonna see the records that have been made. If you enter here, you have more options like record all calls, record calls with unsaved numbers, and record calls with specific numbers. I think the best one is recall all calls, or maybe calls from unsaved numbers. Like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you. Very fast and easy how to enable to show notification on the lock screen of the Samsung Galaxy A54. How to do this? Maybe someone blocked this option, so let's do it here. Now you're gonna unblock your phone, go to settings, and now you're gonna find the notification option. And here in the first option called lock screen notifications, this time it's off. Now let's turn it on, and very important, this option. Why? If you want to have the notifications, you must know that you can hide the contents, only have the notification so you can know there is a notification, or you want to show the content. The option you should use is hide content if you have a phone that is blocked. You don't want everyone to see your notifications, only you want to know that there's a notifications, and you can activate it, show notification on display. And that's all for this video. Like, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.